Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is my third episode in my new series for 2021, Palette of the Week. Now, if you're new and you haven't seen my other episodes of Palette of the Week, I have a playlist, you can check it out, but it is a series I started to basically rotate through and get use out of all my palettes. I'm going to feature a different palette on the channel every week, whether it's a brand new palette I just bought, an old throwback, or somewhere in between. You know, there's no real rules for what palette I'm going to feature. I'm just going to feature a different palette every week on my channel, and how I feature it is going to be different every time. It's not going to be the same. Like this week, I am doing a tutorial. This week's video is with the Celeb Cosmetics Garnet palette, which is their January birthstone palette. It looks like this. I purchased this for myself, but I also purchased this for my sister for her birthday because she is a January baby, and I wanted to do a tutorial for her like I did a couple years ago for her birthday as part of her present. So happy late birthday, Jennifer. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and everyone, please wish Jennifer with one N, a happy birthday in the comments down below. I know it would mean so much. And yeah, basically today is just a tutorial on this look I have right here with this palette. So let's zoom in and get started. All right, now that we're zoomed in, I'm going to start with my usual primer, which is the Sigma eyeshadow base. And for some reason, this is like melty. I don't know what's going on, so I got a ton on my lids. I'm just gonna spread that out with my finger. And then with a tapered, fluffy brush, I am going in to the matte red Go Getter right here and just packing that on the outer corner and into the crease. So I'm just using this fluffy brush to pack the color because I want it really intense and I want it really close to my crease. I don't want it super blown out. So I'm packing the color as tight as I can, and then I'm going to take a blending brush and blend the edges out just slightly. I think I'm going to actually use a sensitive, this like, oh, not that pearly color, sensitive, this like peachy nude tone, and use that to buff out the edges just a little bit. All right, that didn't work too well, so I'm just gonna take the brush with no extra product that I put the red down with and sort of soften up the edge that way so it's not quite so harsh. Okay, I think that's better. And then the next step is where's my liner? The next step is to do a wing, and I prefer to use a liquid liner with a brush tip. This is the Ofra Verified liner, but you can use a wing, create a wing using eyeshadow, using a gel liner, whatever you want. Oh no, I just got black ink in my eyeball. That's not good. Stop licking me. Now I have the shakes, thanks Apis. So help me. God, okay. Don't you hate when you get the coffee shakes and you're trying to do eyeliner? It's the worst. All right, one wing done. Let's see if I can do the other one. And while I'm at it, I'm just going to get into those areas that are creasing with that red brush. Oh my gosh, I was in such a hurry to do this wing that I forgot. The wing is not step number 2 or, you know, product number 2. Item number 2 is to put this shimmery red shade garnet all over my lid. So now I have to do that and try and avoid the wing. So that's fun. Just layer that on top of the matte red and buff it out into the crease. Like really blend it in with the matte red. I think I'm doing a pretty good job of avoiding getting it on the eyeliner. Yeah. Ooh, go me. Then I'm going to take a makeup remover wipe and just clean up the red shadow so that it lines up with the wing. And just leave a little bit past the wing. And then I'm taking a super tiny detail brush and the black and silver glitter Street Smart right here. And I'm just loading that brush up. Oh, wait, I skipped a step. We're gonna stop before we go too far. Why do I keep forgetting and skipping steps? Okay, so put down the glitter. Don't do anything with the glitter yet. We are gonna go into the dark brown shade Works It and a like definer brush. And I am going to just smoke out the wing with that. Ever so gently, just make it a little more brown and a little smokier. And you can like save yourself a step and just do the wing with the brown shadow if you want, and then call that good. Okay, I think I want to take a fluffier brush than that one and blend it a little bit to soften it, because I think that just made it a thicker wing and it didn't really soften it and smoke it out. So I'm just taking a tiny blending brush and softening it. That worked. Okay, now we're gonna take the tiny brush loaded with glitter and focus that on the wing, but also bring it inwards into the inner V. And this is why I'm doing my face second, because doing this step I do get a lot of fallout from using a brush with the glitter, but I find I have more precise placement using the brush versus my finger, so I prefer it. But again, lots of fallout. All right, just cleaning up the edges. Okay, so this is the top lid. I am going to go off camera, do my base, come back for the lower lash line and all of that. Ta-da! I have my face on, my lips, everything. I just need to do the lower lash line and lashes, so let's get to it. And in case you're wondering what this super beautiful, vibrant lipstick is, it is Danger Zone from Mellow Cosmetics. It's this one right here. They have beautiful lipsticks. If you are interested in supporting an indie brand and my channel at the same time, you can shop Mellow Cosmetics through the link in my bio. I would appreciate it. It is an affiliated link, so I do get a small commission. So no pressure, but it does help out the channel if you shop through my links. Anyway, on to the lower lash line. So I am going to take a neon lip liner from LA Girl, which is also the lip liner I used. I use this for my eyes too because I can't find like a red pencil eyeliner. Like, I found this with the eyeliners. Even though it says it's a lip liner, it was with the neon eyeliners. So I was like, okay, whatever. I'll use a lip liner on my eyes. So I'm just gonna put this on the waterline. And even though I did the glitter ahead of time, I still have some fallout on my face. So I'm going to try and whisk that away. I feel like my under eyes look like crap today because I like powdered, but then I had to whisk away so much glitter and it moved it. Oh well. Oh well, I'm not going anywhere. This is just for YouTube. What do you guys care about my under eyes, right? You're just here for, I don't know what you're here for. Why are you here? Are we friends? Is that why? That's probably why. I have lots of friends on YouTube. Not in real life though, just YouTube. Real life friends are hard to make as an adult, especially like my new job. I can't get to know anybody because we're so far apart to like be in compliance with social distancing and all of that. Like, we are so far apart. I can't have a conversation and get to know my coworkers while I'm at work, so I can't make new friends that way. Anyway, back to the look. I am going to go into Work Sit with the little definer brush that I used to kind of lay it down on top of the wing. And I am just going to put that on like the outer third of the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a smudger brush and take Go Getter, the matte red. And I'm going to put that on the center third and also blend it underneath Work Sit and blend that out. Then on that same smudger brush, I am going to take more of Garnet, the super big shimmery red, and put that on the inner third and inner corner. And then I am going to highlight over the inner corner with another shade. I just wanted to lay down the red first so it was red toned, but I am going into Productive AF with a little blending brush and popping that on the inner corner. And that actually is more pigmented than I thought and is kind of covering up the red that I laid down. It only peeks through a little bit, so I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about how pigmented that is. I don't want it to be that pigmented. But that's what we got. I think it looks pretty though. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my brow bone. Alright, so this is pretty much the completed look. I am going to put on some lashes with this look. And I thought I would do that on camera with you so that I could hang out with you guys a little bit longer. And also, Apis, leave it. He's scavenging for food. Also, try out the Kiss Lash Glue Liner again on top of a liner and not winging it out to see how it works that way. Because when I used it before, I used it to create a wing and my eyes stuck together. And I'm taking the same lashes I wore last time I tried this. These are the Royal Silk Luxtensions ones from Kiss. So let's put this on. Okay, and these are already cut to fit my eye because I've worn them previously. So I'm just going to stick them on the liner. Okay, no, not where I want it. Okay, that was quick and easy. Hopefully I can do the other one just as easily. It is easier that way, putting the glue down on your eye and then putting the lashes on. I hope they lined up right, because like sometimes I put on lashes and then I like glue them and you can see my lashes peeking through part of it. I hope it's hard for me to tell because I can't close my eyes all the way and look at my closed eyes. I think I did okay. Gosh, lashes are so hard, but that was actually pretty easy. So I'm just gonna put on a little mascara to blend my natural lashes into the false ones. This is almost gone, and I almost never use up mascaras. I think nothing's getting on my lower lashes, so I think I have to grab a different mascara and call this one quits. I used one up before it went bad. Oh my god. Revolutionary. Or, I guess that's the wrong word choice, but you know what I'm saying. Extraordinary. It's extraordinary. Apis, stop licking me. Seriously, it's hard to concentrate and put mascara on when you're licking my feet, dude. The one I'm using now, by the way, is the Lash Sensational Sky High that's super raved about. I love the original Lash Sensational, and I love this one just as much. It's so good. All right, lashes are on, and I think this look is fabulous. What do you think? I hope my sister likes it. I wanted to do something really easy, but also that utilized the reds because it'd be easy to just skip the reds and go with the neutral colors. So I think this is a really simple but fun red look with this palette. Let me know if you have any thoughts or suggestions on what my next palette of the week should be. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!